Raubex was established, or Raubex was established in 1974. That was by Koos Raubenheimer.
This is astonishing. So this is the third largest company in the sector, and this one's only been listed since like 2009. It came out of the Bloemfontein area, focusing specifically on infrastructure developments. That's road building in particular. Headquartered in Bloemfontein, who knows? That's probably one of the few companies that is. But you got to hand it to them. They've got better margins than almost everyone else in the industry.
Market cap 3.8 billion rand, PE ratio here of 9.8, dividend yield of 3.5%. As Paul says, Wayne, an astonishing story in terms of how quickly they have managed to accumulate that size.
Yeah. Look, I mean, this was one of those companies, I remember it well, during the boom in building and construction. You had a friend who owned 4 buckies and you owned a pile of gravel and you listed it. I mean, that's literally, there were how many companies? 20 companies that came to the market of very similar type of business operations. But Raubex has been very, very successful. And not dissimilar to Wilson Bailey, they've at least maintained some sort of earnings base, some sort of credibility, even though they've had tough times. But the second company where earnings are actually going up. And the operation actually looks good. They roll building, gravel, what's it called, conglomerates, etc.
Paul, is it worth pulling into the stock or taking a nibble?
Yeah, look, Wayne's point earlier that these companies look good and have climbed the league tables is partly because, as he said, the others have fallen down so far. So, look, they're under fresh management. Rudolf Fourie has ascended to the CEO position after Francois Dudrichsen left. He was more of a corporate financier. The Raubenheimer family still has quite a chunky stake, and the next generation of Raubenheimers is also in the executive director position. I would have thought that a company that dealt with the Free State government would not be in good financial condition because of the delays in getting paid. But somehow or other they've managed to maintain some forward momentum.
Look at the share price performance there.
In the roads department, they bought Tosas, which was a company that takes crude oil from Natref and turns it into tar, you know, for the roads. So they're a dominant player in that part of the market too. I don't know, they're plucky operators. They've remained profitable. You got to hand it to them.
Hot or not? Do
This
you want
one
to
I'd
give a little
actually go
more?
hot with. I don't recommend we put it in our portfolio, but they've actually done well. And as Paul mentioned, this new bitumen product division of theirs is actually quite exciting. So I'll actually go hot.
You can't
go cold on everything.
You're surprising me. Hot or not, Paul?
I don't know. I just think the environment isn't all that great. So to be stabbing at this one, I'm going to go with not hot. So